Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the acoustic explosion method. Here we have water domain, we have aluminium hull with damage behavior here, and we have a seabed or soil at the bottom here in interaction with water acoustic domain. If I click on this, you can see, click on animate. Here you can see that the stress propagation in the hull. After that the damage happened, and if I check the final frame, you can see it is filled completely. Let me check. Let me remove this. You can see that here. This is the hull. See the damage happened. This is the aluminium hull and JC damage for this. Let me check the stress and also remove this and see the soil. The soil received the acoustic pressure here, and you can see the deformation of the seabed here, and this is the wave propagation, stress wave propagation in it. And also you can check plastic strain, displacement, or anything else. Let me replace all in this view. Here check the pore pressure, and this is the pressure which is generated by the acoustic part. You can see that this is the pressure, and we can use the isosurface model like this to check the wave. Here you can see that, and this is the wave propagation. And let's use banded XY V. We can check, for instance, the velocity. Velocity is not important. The displacement for the soil is maximum here, and the stress for the aluminium part. So in this tutorial we investigate the acoustic explosion and its effect over the hull inside the water, also in interaction with the soil and soil deflection. The soil received the acoustic pressure, and then it makes deformation and stress. You can see here the deformation of the soil, and it may change it to the internal energy by this deformation. So if you need to model the acoustic explosion, underwater explosion, or on-deck explosion over a hull in interaction with soil, you can come to our website here, abacusfm.com. Find the English tutorial, click on title or blue sign. Then you will have the title, geometry and part explanation, assembly, material, method, step, interaction, load, and the mesh, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. The cost for the CA, INP, and English video file reference is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account. This is the best way. A Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, we have a full package containing 430 tutorials, all aspects of simulation and modeling here on our website. You can read about this in this page, and you will notice that this package contains everything that the engineer, a student, or a teacher needs for learning or simulation and modeling. You can read the title here. These are the main title. We have many subtitles here. These are the main titles here. and the cost for that is so suitable and affordable. So if you need also this full package, contact me on this email. Thank you for your attention.